What's up, everybody? You all asked the question, what does taping do? And that's what we're going to answer in today's video. You've probably seen this all over athletes. This really became popular around 2008 with Olympic beach volleyball. That's really where it got visual. People were wondering, what is that tape that's on the athletes? Can I use it? And that's what we're going to answer today. Now, I need to make a quick differentiation. This is not the old style cotton tape that you might see used more of like a brace, like joint support. This is elastic therapeutic tape. It's a cotton or nylon based tape with an acrylic based adhesive, and it's very different. There's two things going on physiologically with this tape application. So number one, let's say I'm having some pain on the lateral aspect of my elbow here. Well, when we put this elastic tape on, first of all, there's a mechanical lifting mechanism that's happening. What that means is under the skin, we have our fascia, the connective tissue, and it's under our skin, it's around our muscle, it's in the muscle. This tape, because of its elasticity, it actually pulls up, lifts the skin, and creates more space. We have a deep layer of fascia and a superficial layer of fascia, and as this tape pulls up on the skin, it takes that superficial layer of fascia along with it to create more space in between those layers. What that does is it actually increases the volume of our lymph vessels. You probably have heard of the lymphatic system. It's very important for our immune function. That's where all the white blood cells are. That's where we drain out all those waste products and get rid of viruses and bacteria. So volumizing those vessels is really going to help with immune function and clearing waste products, and it'll just give us better movement overall, better circulation, better lymphatic flow. Remember, our circulatory system, our veins and our arteries, that relies on our heart to pump the blood around. Our lymphatic system relies on our muscles and movement to move the lymph fluid around those vessels. We have what we call mechanoreceptors in our skin and in our muscles, and they sense movement and touch. And when we put this tape on, we're activating those receptors. This is part of our nervous system, and that basically gives our brain a better picture of that area of our body, so that you have more of what we call motor control. You have increased proprioception, which can really help after an injury, just letting your brain understand that that area of the body is safe to move. It can see that area better, if that makes sense. So there's, again, two things that this tape does. One is the mechanical lifting mechanism of the tape, and then there is the neurological effect, increased proprioception and motor control. All of this is useful for pain management, for increasing movement quality, for fluid dynamics, helping with swelling, maybe after an injury. This tape can really help to mitigate some of the swelling going on, and then as well as a postural correction. This tape is not going to hold you in correct posture, but it helps your body to recognize when it's out of alignment and get you back into that correct position. This tape is really for anyone. If you haven't tried it yet, I recommend that you do. The contact is in the description below. Make your next recovery appointment at Iron Quartz. I'll see you there. Make sure to follow on social media, Iron Quartz and Joshua Sports Recovery, as well as subscribe and hit the bell and comment what fitness and health issues or questions you have that we can answer next time. See you guys.